2016 GMC Sierra 1500. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll enjoy first-class features that create a premium environment, such as side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, HID headlights, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.